How to turn on game mode in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Once you are in Settings, look for the Gaming option on the left-hand side. Click on it. Under Gaming, you will see several options like Game Bar and Captures. What we are interested in is Game Mode. Click on it. Now you will see a simple toggle switch. If it's off, just click it to turn it on. Your game mode is now activated. Game mode reduces system resource usage by suspending unnecessary background processes. It also helps your games run smoother by focusing your PC's power on delivering the best performance. So, whether you are into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, game mode has your back. And that's how you can turn on game mode in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.